What up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making orange chicken, which was, fun fact, invented by Panda Express. That feels like it shouldn't be true for whatever reason. As always, I'm going to be making mine gluten-free. If you'll make yours regular, just use regular ingredients. It's that simple. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to make this, we're going to be using some chicken thighs today. About a pound of it. As always, I list all the ingredients down in the description below. We're going to go ahead and cut off that extra fat and silver skin, and then we're going to chop these up into 1-inch cubes-ish, roughly. It doesn't have to be exact. Then we're going to go ahead and marinate this with 1 tablespoon of gluten-free soy sauce. You can also use regular, that's fine. 1 tablespoon of mirin, which is Japanese cooking wine. 1 or 2 zests of this orange, not too much now. We just want a hint of it. Then we're going to grate in 1 garlic clove and 3/4 of an inch of ginger. Give us a nice flavor. About a half teaspoon of white pepper. You can always use black pepper if you don't have white pepper. And then half a teaspoon of MSG. If you don't have that, you can use salt. Give this a good thorough mixing together. And then once it's all mixed together, we're going to stick it in our fridge for 1 hour. Now let's make our sauce. We're going to use some chicken broth, about ½ cup, to which we're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And once we got our soy sauce in there, we're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of mirin right in there. Then we're going to add a 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I'm using the tangy kind. You don't have to use the tangy kind. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of honey because I don't like it too sweet. And then we're going to zest that 1 orange from earlier. Go ahead and grate 2 garlic cloves in there. And about 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch of ginger. Then we're going to go ahead and juice that whole orange in there. As a side note, I've seen a lot of recipes call for up to ½ cup of sugar in this. I think that's way too much sugar, hence why we use the honey. And now we're going to use some dry sherry, about 1 tablespoon, and whisk it all together. If you're not making this gluten-free, you can use Chinese cooking wine, but dry sherry is a good substitute. Add about a ½ cup of cornstarch or potato starch to your chicken mixture. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix that in there to coat. Frying it once at 350 degrees until it's a light golden brown. And then we're going to double fry it again at about 360 to 375 degrees until it's a dark golden brown like so. Double fry method is golden. Heat up some oil until it's smoking. I'm using canola. Add in our mixture. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. We're also going to add some chili flakes to this because I forgot to earlier. And I'm going to add 2 dried chilies to this. Szechuan chilies are best, but you can also use arbol, or you can just leave them out. It's up to you. It's not going to hurt anything. I'm adding the whites of my green onion too, because I don't waste food. And we're going to go ahead and add our cornstarch slurry. And keep this on the heat after we whisk this in, and we're just going to cook it until it reduces into a thick sauce like this. Add your chicken, and then we're going to go ahead and toss this to coat until every nook and cranny of this chicken is covered in this sauce. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? You can almost smell it through the screen. Go ahead and plate this with some white rice or some fried rice, up to you. Add some green onions on top, and then I like to garnish it with some sesame seeds. And then look at this. You can't tell me that doesn't look better than Panda Express. Now let's go to a taste test. Alright, y'all, I'm excited. Time to eat some orange chicken. Sorry, let me get in shot. Ooh, look at that. It's orange and glassy. That's really good. The citrus notes really come through. You can taste the fresh orange. It's not overly sweet, like some places do it. It's got a little hint of spice. You can actually add a little bit more peppers if you want spice here. This is good. I'm gonna go eat my dinner now. See ya. And there you have it, folks, a delicious orange chicken recipe that you can make at home that won't break the bank. Trust me, this one's really good. You gotta try it. So anyway, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, really helps me out. Helps me grow. Let me know what you want me to cook next. And as always, toodles.